What's up, guys? This is Nature Boy Chuck, and in my hands I have the Climacool Batch 000 by Adidas in the Climamog. Now that's the registered name right now, but guys, let me tell you something. This shoe combines almost everything that you have never heard of or seen in a sneaker before. Now this sneaker is 100% 3D printed. Now it combines breathability and comfort within this shoe. Adidas has been known for their innovation for its technology when they use it with shoes. You saw it once before in the Boost technology, and you also saw it in the Future technology also. And this is combined with a softer type material that is 3D printed in one full piece. For its traction, we're gonna test out today and see how this looks on foot. But as of right now, if there's an award for innovation, Adidas has absolutely taken the crown with this particular shoe itself. I'm taking a closer look at the design, guys. You'll notice that these lines and everything gets almost woven particularly together in the most orderly fashion that I've ever seen before. For a fully 3D printed shoe, it absolutely kills it for us. The creation of lines, the flow of the shoe, which gives you almost an aerodynamic look and even feel. You're probably wondering if it's tough, hard, not soft or anything. This is probably one of the most durable, soft materials that I've ever felt, and as you can see, it moves with the lines as I run my finger across it that I've ever felt in a sneaker before. Although it may look innovative and beautiful as it is, we're gonna actually see how comfortable it is once we put it on foot. Oh God, I just put these things on my foot, so let me put the camera down so you can see how great they look. These are crazy. All right, guys, so these are it on foot, and let me tell you something. Adidas has figured out comfort and breathability with these particular shoes themselves. Now, I'm stepping far back so you can see in transition how they look, but these feel absolutely amazing. And looking down on them, these sneakers absolutely look so cool. The Innovation Award goes to Adidas with these particular shoes, and they look great. I can feel the little wind that's coming through on these, and I can tell you this for its wear, oh my God, these feel good. Now I'm a size 10. These came in at 10 and a half, and they're a perfect fit. If you're able to, I would probably say go a half size or a whole size up. These will fit perfect with a pair of socks. But if you get your absolute true to size, you're gonna have a hard time putting on a thick layer of socks. So keep that in mind, because the sizing on this is truly, truly tricky.